Dear Godmother, yes, this is indeed the 7th lesson, the 7th time we are here to perform a naming ceremony. And I can tell you it's getting better and better for every ship. And Mr. Kovacs, indeed, we are very proud of the vessel and the performance and the achievements of Broadsplit Shipyard. This is truly a result of an outstanding industrial cooperation in my view. So my great and deeply felt thank you to everyone involved, our customer, our partners, Total, which has been very supportive and instrumental in developing this interesting and fantastic concept that the P-MAX vessels represent. Thank you very much to Broadsplit, the organization, the management, and more than anything to the shipyard workers. It's a beautiful day, the sun is shining, the weather couldn't be better, but we have to remember, on such days like this, it's tough work on board, and there's no shortcuts to produce such a beauty that we have in front of us. It's hard work. So many thanks, and I admire the shipyard workers. And at last, dear Godmother, thank you very much for coming all the way from Singapore and be the Godmother of these vessels. Thank you very much.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, as your host today, I warmly welcome all you at the naming ceremony. My special welcome goes to Mr. Hans Norén, President of Concordia Maritime, as well as all other honored representatives of Concordia Maritime and Stena, especially their side team with Mr. Torbjörn Reck. Miss Wei Ling Sim, the godmother of the ship, who came all the way from the Singapore office of Total Company. Mr. Luc Gillet, head of the shipping in Total. Mr. Kelly, the Laverment, chartering manager in Total. Mr. Pierre de Carpigny, head of the vetting in Total. Representative of the Dutch Norske Veritas and Sigma Holdings. What we see today in front of us is the result of a tight cooperation between two companies and their know-how, a top product which will be admired by shipping industry as much as our previous ships were. Therefore, let me express my gratitude to all the people from Broadsplit and Concordia Maritime involved in building of this beautiful vessel. I hope the new owners will be as proud of the ship as Broadsplit already is. And finally, the ship herself wish many happy, safe and profitable sails. Thank you.
Hereby name this good ship Stena Progress. May God protect and bless all who sails on board. May all her sailings in the 7 seas be happy and prosperous.